Hi everyone, welcome back. Hope you all are safe and doing well. In today's vlog, I'll be sharing with you my adventurous trip to Pen-y-ghent, a mountain peak in Yorkshire Dales. Do watch it till the end, you'll definitely like it. Summers are the best time to explore your neighborhood in United Kingdom. The days are warm and pleasant. At the same time, you have plenty of daylight till 9:30 p.m. So you can really make most of it. Pen-y-ghent is 55 miles from our place. It's nearly 1.5 hours of journey. People who visit Pen-y-ghent mostly go for a 3-peak challenge. There are other 2 peaks other than Pen-y-ghent, which are known as Ingleborough and Whernside, which are also similar to Pen-y-ghent. The Pen-y-ghent is slightly lowest than the other 2 peaks. We could cover only Pen-y-ghent for today. After reaching Pen-y-ghent, we parked our car at Horton in Ribblesdale and walked anti-clockwise. This is a steeper route than the clockwise route. There's a couple of scrambles near the top that could be dangerous. Well, the initial part of the hill walk was really exciting and beautiful. We took some small breaks here and there and enjoyed the scenic beauty. The hill walking after the midway is really challenging as you have to climb some uneven rocks and also pass through some curvy waves. It's really tricky and you have to be very careful. Though it is difficult to carry, you have to carry plenty of water and also some sugar candies since you might drop your sugar levels, so it's always wise to carry some chocolates in your bag. Initially, the peak looked very near. I thought it was very less walking, but then it took nearly 2 hours for us to climb and also 2 hours to return back. We almost reached on the top, This is one of the most scariest parts. I'm not sure whether it is very clear for you to see from here. It's very narrow, rocky way, and if you just slip down, you'll fall somewhere nearly 2000 feet down. These kind of trips are really challenging, and they teach you a lot in life, how to be focused and also build up your confidence. Finally, we reached on the top, and it was an amazing feeling after this challenging walk. Now we are on top of the Pen-y-ghent, 2,227 feet high, enjoying the scenic beauty and the fresh air. The views are really stunning and the feel is mesmerizing. Pen-y-ghent means hill on the border, so this is the border on the hill. We enjoyed thoroughly on top of the hill. It was really exciting. Finally, it's time to go back. We were the last tourists left on the spot, so it was really challenging. I'll take you around the other side of the hill while going to the car park. Now this side of the hill was equally beautiful and interesting to watch around. At the same time, it was not very steepy, so we were able to walk much faster. The sunset was really beautiful. The rays falling on the mountain and the grass make it more vibrant. The lamb grazing around in these green pastures make these landscapes more beautiful. So normally those who go on a 3-peak challenge, they start their day very early so that they can give plenty of time at each peak. Now as you can see, we could cover only one peak and it took nearly 4 to 5 hours. so it's a lot of time consuming. These kind of journeys make you really strong, and also they last long in your memories. We safely reached the car park by 9:45 p.m. and we still had the daylight. Finally, I was happy and relieved. It was indeed an adventurous trip. Some of our bloopers. Hi everyone, welcome to Rita's Diaries.
Hi guys, we are halfway through Pen-y-ghent climbing. It's been a bit tiring for all of us, but yeah, we are strong, we'll make it. Cheers
Okay.
guys.
Once
Thank
again.
you guys for watching.
I hope you liked watching today's video. Do give me your suggestions and feedback in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Also, if you're watching my channel for the first time and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel and also click on the notification bell at the bottom so that you'll be notified whenever I upload my new videos. Feel free to share it with your friends and family. Thank you. Bye. See you in another vlog.